Hey warriors of the market, still taking L's in binary trading? Enough is enough. Today I am handing you the weapon to flip the game, a strategy that crushes losses and stacks wins. No more guesswork, just pure execution, and if you're ready to level up for real, my Telegram is where the elite traders rule. You in?
Today's strategy is going to be the ADX and Keltner channel. So there it is, and what is remarkable, we don't change anything, so we keep the settings as they are. The only thing I'm gonna do, it's so the change the color of the moving average, just for the comfort, and plus D is gonna be green and red, red D is gonna be red. So what is about the strategy? Look guys, we got several signals to pay attention to. First of all, we look at the ADX. We are gonna watch the dynamics of the moving averages and then go from there, okay? Also, we are gonna watch the touch of the lower and the upper boundaries of the Keltner channels. Also, when the price enters the channel, and also we are gonna pay attention to the support and resistance zones, updating of the local highs and lows. And that will do, guys. All the currency pairs haven't peaked. There are $167 on the balance. We trade for all the money on the 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's get started, guys. So guys, I like this one. And let's open the long position the right way. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry. So the first thing to notice is that the plus line is at the bottom and we expect a little pullback to the upside. So I wanna say that the price hit the support zone here, we see the pullback here, and then some upward dynamics, the price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here, broke the channel to the downside. Okay, and we're expecting the pullback, and then the price should come back inside the channel again, and basically the correction should be over by now. So at least a small pullback will definitely happen, although we observe the downtrend here and the pullback should take place. And there it is, guys. Look at this beautiful breakout, exactly as we predicted. There are several seconds left before the closing, and yep, we perfectly calculated the position entry. So let's update, and our position having closed in profit. We already see good pullback on the ADX. The first position is in a profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. So guys, let's open a short position here. I think we got a perfect trade entry level. And we observed the reversal on the ADX, so small correction should take place. Basically, these moving averages are in the upper area, and previously there was a strong upward movement. The price broke through the upper boundary of the channel, and a small correction should follow up. So also guys, take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. So at least a small correction should take place. We count on that. Probably the price is going to retest the upper boundary of the Keltner channel. So guys, we'll see. And yep, our position having closed in profits. There are $556 on the balance. And let's update the trade amount. Everything is pretty simple, as you can see, guys. I hope you already understood the principle. Well, this one looks promising, and we are gonna open a short position here. We caught nice trade entry level, guys. And first of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus moving average on the ADX. The plus line should move down a little bit, I guess, because there was a strong upward dynamics here, strong pullback did happen. after which we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. The false breakout has happened because we see this wick, and now we expect the price to move lower inside the channel again. A small correction should happen. Even according to logic, we see, I guess, 7 consecutive green candles and the red candle should show up. Okay. Oh guys, also pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see this rejection here and there, and now it's not gonna be an exception. And there we go, our position is in profits. As you can see, red candle has immediately showed up and we got almost 700 on the balance. Unfortunately, this currency pair has a low payout rate. I should have been more careful, but it's okay. So guys, let's continue the trading session. Let's have a look guys, and it makes sense to open another short here. We observe a strong bullish impulse here. We caught a perfect level here. I wanna bring to your attention the crossing of the moving averages on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics, plus line should go into correction, and also we see the price broke out of the channel here, and previously there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again. The local high was updated, and by the way, here is important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that. That's why we opened the short here. And let's see guys. And yep, as you can see, our position have been closing profits and there is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair for the most promising trade entry guys. So we are not gonna stop here guys. I think we can open a long position here. So let me clarify guys. And yep, let's do it. Okay. So first of all, there is the crossing of the moving averages on the ADX. The reversal should take place. And previously there was this downward dynamics, after which a pullback should happen. Also the price broke through the lower boundary of the Keltner channel, and also here we have this strong support zone, and then a small pullback is likely to happen. The price is gonna come back inside the channel. And let's see guys. And our position is in the profits, and the price enters the channel again exactly as we predicted, and we got 2k on the balance, and let's continue the trading session. So this currency pairs looks really promising. Let's take our time and let's open 2 short positions here. This currency pair has a good payout rate, and if you look at the ADX, we saw the crossing of the moving averages, so we expect to see the reversal, and basically we observe the sideways trend on the chart in this zone to be exact, and the trend is already so. Okay, here is a touch of the upper boundary of the Keltner channel did happen. And the correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue this sideways movement. So the volatility is kind of low here, and basically the upward trend has finished, and now the price is trying to determine its direction, because we see this double bottom pattern here, and however previously there was more upward dynamics. Let's see guys. and our position have been closed on profits. However, one position end up with 0. It doesn't matter, no big deal. Let's continue the trading session. So we see the inception of the green candle, and let's open our long position here. And another 800 long position, okay. So first of all, we see that the minus line is almost at the top, the plus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The correction to the upside should happen after all. And there was a huge jump, and the price broke through the lower boundary of the channel. The price started going down, and so after which this support level played out, and there were several rebounds in the past, and the same thing is gonna happen now. The pullback should happen. So let's see, guys. And yep, the green candle has already showed up, and you can already see the reversal on the ADX, and yep, our position have been closed on profits. Let's continue making money, guys. Find another promising position entry. Well, what do we got here? I think it makes sense to open a short here. I think we got lucky. We caught a great entry level, and I think it makes sense to open a short here. First of all, we see the ADX moving average is at the bottom, and there was the crossing of the plus and minus lines, and then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term, and basically we see some sideways movement in the zone. You can see this sideways, and here is the false breakout from the Keltner channel, after which we should see the correction to the downside. Actually the touch took place here and there, and the correction followed up every time. So we count on that. We can also point out this resistance zone. Okay, and let's see, guys. Oh, there we go. Our position have been closed on profits. Let's continue, guys, and open our final position, and then I will fix the profit. So we have some kind of accumulation zone here, but anyway, it makes sense to open a short position. We got a great entry level here, lucky for us. So guys, take a look at the reversal on the ADX. The ADX moving average is at the peak level now, the correction is gonna happen. Also, the minus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The downward dynamics should take place. And I suppose the price reached the support level, and then the price should go into correction, as simple as that. So the price broke out of the Keltner here, and then we see the rebound here, and I guess the price should retest the upper boundary of the Keltner channel. And yep, look at this perfect trade entry level, and here is the inception of the red candle. There are several seconds left, and there we go, guys. Our positions are in profits. There are 12k on the balance, perfect outcome. So it's time to withdraw the money. I think it's gonna be enough for today and for me. So let's withdraw the money. I think we withdraw 12k to my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, and I'm gonna put down the code. Just one moment. So there we go, our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen as usual. So guys, hope you understood how to use this strategy, guys. This one is simple as always. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time, guys.